how to edit two photos together in iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tips. First, open Shortcut app on your phone. You can install this from your app store. At the top, tap on plus icon to create a new shortcut. Now rename the shortcut. Then tap on search action bar. Now search select photos and tap on it. Then tap on the arrow button. Turn on the select multiple toggle. Tap on the search action bar at the bottom. Now search combine images and open it. Then tap on the arrow button to select photo position. I'm selecting horizontally here. Tap on the search action again. Search save to photos. Your shortcut is set. Now go back. Now tap and hold on the shortcut. Select details from this option. At the top, tap on add to home screen. Then tap on add. Go back and see shortcut is added on your home screen. Open it. Now select the photos you want to combine. Then tap on the tick mark at the top. Go to your photos and see the image is combined. And that's it.